Now there is one more PSU, so POSOCO, so power system, so PO means power system, operation, corporation, so CO means corporation limited. Okay, so one thing about this particular PSU is they pay very high compared to other PSUs, and they have good number of vacancies for computer science. So last time also they had good number of vacancies, and this time compared to last time it will be more. Okay, so main thing with POSOCO is there will be no written test, only gate score. Along with gate score you can just apply through one more thing, let me tell you, I forgot to mention. So many of the students who have a very good gate score generally don't prefer going to PSUs, they prefer doing MTech. Okay, therefore even if your gate score is less, still there is a chance of getting into PSU because many of them don't generally go. Okay, so now coming to this PSU, so the designation is executive trainees. So they are going to take you as a trainee initially for 1 year, and after that they will give you the full-time job, and even during the training phase also the salary will be very high. And you should have a very good gate score either in EEE department or in computer science. And the age limit is, so you should not be beyond 28 years old. Okay, so that is the age limit. So only under 28 you can apply. So for SC/ST you have 5 more years of grace period, and then for OBC 3 more years is there, right? So coming to the degree, you should have a BTech degree with 65%. BTech or BE both are fine, but you should have 65%. And if you are looking at it at a CGPA, then it should be equivalent. Okay, and how are they going to select the candidates is 85% weightage is going to be given for gate score. Out of all the people who applied, 85% will be for gate score, and 3% is for group discussion. So I think this is the only PSU which is having group discussion. Okay, so basically they will try to see your communication skills, okay, in group discussion, that's it. And 12% will be personal interview. So there will be a personal interview. So again, in personal interview also, I heard that they are going to ask only from the GATE syllabus. Along with GATE syllabus, they will ask you about your resume. So in your resume, if you mention your BTech project, they will ask you about it. Or if you mention some of the programming languages like Java, Python, they will ask some questions on it. Okay, so mostly it will be on GATE syllabus. Got it? And once you get selected, the salary will be anywhere from 60,000 to 1,80,000. Okay, so you can roughly estimate that the salary will be around 1 lakh. Okay, and that is for the first 1 year, right? And after that 1 year, if you perform well, you will be given the full-time job as an engineer, and your salary will be high. Okay, higher compared to what they offer you at the training phase. Only thing is there is bond for this. So bond is 1 lakh rupee bond is there. So for 3 years you are supposed to work with them. If you want to leave within 3 years, if you don't like the organization and if you want to leave, then you have to pay 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is overall a very good PSU payment wise. So they are going to pay very high salaries. Okay, and the number of vacancies will also be high in this. Okay. And for those who are watching my video for the first time, I am Ravindra Babu Ravala, and I'll be teaching all the GATE courses, GATE subjects on Unacademy platform. Okay, so if you want to register for my course, download Unacademy app and use the code RRCS. You are going to get 10% discount. Okay, along with me you are going to see many faculty teaching the subjects, and you can follow anyone, but I'll be teaching all the subjects. You can follow me or you can follow anyone. If you take one subscription, you can see all the classes that are happening in 1 year. If you are registering for 1 year, if you want to register for 2 years, you can do that. Okay, so you can download Unacademy app and just see, just use this code in order to unlock all the free classes available. Even if you don't want to pay, still you can use this code and you can see all the free content available. And if you want to pay, you are going to get 10% discount if you use the code RRCS. Okay, thank you.